Good evening, Doc Severson here for the ReadySetCrypto OMNIA trade of the day for Wednesday, the 14th of April. Yesterday, we talked about Bitcoin breaking above 60,000, and I said, where's the volume? And we never did get the volume, and this is why this trade so far today, with about 3 hours left in the trading day, is being faded to the downside. And what we are building on this chart is kind of this ascending wedge pattern. Now, ascending wedge patterns are ultimately bearish. So don't get me wrong, I'm not bearish on this, but typically what I will see is the upper trend line give way on a break, and then the price comes back down and sets a higher low in a much larger time frame. The problem that we may be dealing with here is on the monthly chart. And the monthly chart right now, and you can't really tell what is going on here because of all these trend lines that I've got, but we are in serious exhaustion on the monthly chart, and we may need to spend a couple more months just chopping around in this area until this is ready to go. We've got all the energy in the world on the weekly chart. The daily chart is a little bit thin right now, but that's not the biggest problem. So we may continue to go sideways into this pattern until it's truly well and ready to break out from here above 60,000. And the main thing that's missing again is the volume. If we had the volume, we'd be able to break out from this, bake the bears, and get everybody to jump on board. It's just not happening right now. It still could be a little bit early due to those larger time frames. Ethereum, though, looks ready to run. With the exception of the daily chart, the weekly chart looks great for Ethereum, no problem there. Monthly chart is also in exhaustion, so I don't know how much further these guys are going to go until the larger time frames catch up. So that's not really the story, though. Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're going to do what they're going to do. We have various other coins that are running, though, like Bitcoin Cash is starting to run above its neckline, 763. We have Bitcoin SV, which is running above its neckline of 300. And the mighty Dogecoin today is broken out above 9 cents. So this great big basing pattern that it's put in over the last few months is eventually broken out on big energy from this energy peak here. Good energy, gotten a nice breakout. Now what it needs to do is pull in a high and tight flag to kind of digest this move. A couple other coins doing pretty well here. VeChain is doing just fine. And that is really about it today for the top 20. Just some of the Bitcoin derivatives like Bitcoin SV is doing okay, but most coins are just looking for leadership right now. So we have various sporadic breakouts across the board. But overall, the broader market could not be healthier. Everything looks really good. It's just that various coins are breaking out from their patterns as they mature. That's it for today's report. Thanks for listening. See you tomorrow.